By now, you are moved in and probably chiseling a little bit at a time away at those boxes and trying to get them unpacked. Well, if you're still living out of boxes, give us a call and let us help you with your unpacking services. We can coordinate the same crew to come out and help you unpack one area or the whole entire space. No job is too big or too small when it comes down to unpacking services. And the great part about it is you get the same rate, you get the same quality of service, and you get the same expectations. Just as we arrived and the time started when you signed us in, the same thing will happen. The time starts when we start unpacking the first item, and the time ends when we unpack the last item for you to ultimately help give you peace of mind and allow you to get back to life. After we've done all the unpacking for you, if you need us to remove the materials, whether it's the boxes or the packing tissue or bubble wrap, we can definitely help make arrangements for that too.